In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make Zoho Forms. First, sign into Zoho Forms and click the plus new form button in the top right corner. This opens your starting point. Right away, you'll choose your form type. Pick standard if you want a traditional, scrollable layout where people see multiple questions on a single page. Choose card if you prefer a one question at a time experience, which can feel cleaner on mobile and helps guide respondents step by step. Next, name your form and add a short description. Clear names help you stay organized, and a concise description sets expectations for anyone filling it out. When you are ready, click Create to open the form builder. On the left panel, you'll see your field options. Drag and drop basic fields like name, email, phone, and address if you are collecting contact details. For more advanced needs, use fields like file upload, payment, or signature. Arrange fields in a logical order so it feels natural to complete, and keep related items together. You can always reorder by dragging them up or down. Click any field to customize it. Update the label so it uses plain, friendly language. Add short instructions or placeholder text to clarify what you want. Set validation rules to reduce errors, making fields mandatory when they're essential, and applying input rules such as email formats or character limits, so you get clean, usable data. If a field has extra properties, configure them now to match your use case. To make your form look on brand, go to the Themes tab. Choose colors and fonts that align with your style, and use a background image or pattern if it enhances readability. Add your company logo for a professional finish. Make sure here is good contrast between text and background, so the form is easy to read on any device. Now, configure rules to make the form dynamic. Field rules let you show or hide fields based on a respondent's answer, keeping the form simple and relevant. Form rules help with behavior such as validation and redirection after submission, which lets you guide people to a thank you page or next step. When everything looks good, head to the Share tab. You can distribute your form with a direct link, send it by email, or post it on social media. If you want it on your website, click Embed to get the code and place it on the page where you need it. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.